Good morning, my dear students of class 1. I'm once again back with your science class, and today I'm going to discuss chapter 13, topic Weather and Seasons, part 2. Girls, we have already started this chapter in our last class, right? We have learned about the weather, rainy day, sunny day, cloudy day, cold day, and windy day, right? So today we are going to learn about the next portion of this chapter, that is seasons, right? But before start the chapter, let us quickly recapitulate the things that we have learned in our previous class. Okay? So let's start. So what is weather? Weather is the condition of air at a particular time or place. It changes from day to day. It may be sunny, rainy, cloudy, cold, or windy. Girls, we also know that weather forecast tells us about the weather in advance. As the weather does not remain same, that is why all days are not same, right? So some days the sun shines brightly. The weather is very hot, and these days are called sunny days. In sunny days, we like to wear light-fitted cotton clothes. And we also keep a handkerchief or tissue paper to wipe our sweat. In these days, we feel like drinking lots of liquid and try to eat foods that are not very heavy or spicy. Some days we can see that dark clouds hide the sun, and these days are called cloudy days. On cloudy days, the sun rays do not pass through the clouds, so the weather becomes cooler. The cloudy days are cooler than the sunny days. Some days are very cold. We like to stay indoor. This kind of days are called cold days. On a cold day, the sun is not very bright. This makes the weather cool, and we like to drink hot things like soup and warm milk, etc. It snows in hilly areas. Strong winds blow on some days. We see branches of trees and plants moving. We need to hold our things tightly to stop them from flying away. These days are called windy days. On a windy day, sometimes the trees fall due to strong winds. So we should stay indoors on a very windy day. On some days, the sky is covered with dark clouds. These clouds bring rain for us. Everything around us gets wet. Such days are called rainy days. These days, sometimes when the sun shines through the rain, we see a beautiful, colorful rainbow in the sky. Girls, let us start with our today's lesson, that is seasons. Now, can you tell me how many seasons are there in a year? I hope you are correct. There are 5 different seasons in a year. Now girls, first of all, we need to know what is a season, right? Well, when the weather remains the same for a long time, we call it season. Or we can say that a season is the time of the year when one type of weather stays for many days or months. Now girls, I hope you know that we wear different types of clothes and eat different types of food depending on the season. Now we are going to learn about these 5 seasons in detail. Season. It is very cold during winter. In this season, the days are short and the nights are long. We like to wear woolen clothes and we like to drink hot things such as soup, tea, etc. Let us learn about spring season. Spring season comes after winter. In this season, the weather is very pleasant. Flowers bloom in spring. We can see lots of flowers and bees buzzing around us. New leaves grow on trees. Summer season. It is very hot in summer. During the summer, the days are long and the nights are short. During this time, we like to wear cotton clothes to keep ourselves cool. Now girls, can you tell me how do cotton clothes keep us cool? Well, cotton fabric absorbs sweat and help our body to cool down. That is why during this hot summer day, we prefer to wear cotton clothes. In these days, we use fans, coolers, etc. And we feel like to drink lots of water and other liquid. Do you like rains? I think yes. Now we are going to learn about your favorite rainy season. Rainy season is also called the monsoon. The sky is covered with dark clouds and it rains almost daily. Everything in the nature looks washed and clean after the rain. We use umbrellas, raincoats and gumboots when it rains. Let us learn about autumn season. In autumn, The weather is neither hot nor cold. Most of the trees shed leaves during autumn. Let's learn some spelling from the chapter 13. So girls, please open your science book, page number 91, chapter 13, and take the pencil in your hand. So are you ready, students? Let's start. The first spelling is season. Season. Weather. Weather. Months. Months. Different. Different. Depending. Depending. During. During. Woolen clothes. Woolen clothes. Soup. Soup. Then turn the page. Page number 92. Beautiful. Beautiful. Bloom. Bloom. Pleasant. Pleasant. Cotton. Cotton. Cooler. Cooler. Monsoon. Monsoon. Umbrellas. Umbrellas. Raincoats. Raincoats. Gumboots. Gumboots. Autumn. Autumn. Neither. Neither. Shade. Shade. Leaves. Leaves. That's all. So girls, please learn all the spellings in this chapter. Okay? And do practice at home. Let us revise the following points quickly. Weather is the condition of air at a particular time or place. It changes from day to day. It may be sunny, rainy, cloudy, cold, or windy. Season is the time of the year when one type of weather stays for many days or months. There are 5 different seasons in a year. The longest day every year is June 21st, and the shortest day of the year in India is December 21st. Okay? We are going to write some questions and answers from this chapter. Okay? In the previous class, we have already started with question number 1, what is weather? And question number 2, write 2 sentences about each of the following types of days. I hope you have already written that, right? So today we are going to start with question number 3. And girls, as I have told you before, first you have to write the question and then you'll write the answer. Alright, so let's start writing. The question is, what is a season? A season is the time of the year when one type of weather stays for many days or months. We wear different types of clothes and eat different types of food depending on the season. I repeat, what is a season? A season is the time of the year when one type of weather stays for many days or months. We wear different types of clothes and eat different types of food depending on the season. Number 4. Write 2 sentences about each of the following seasons. Girls, here you can write any sentences as per your choice. Okay? A. Summer. It is very hot in summer. Number 2. We use fans, coolers, etc. Girls, as I told you before, you can write any 2 sentences here as per your choice. Alright? Now B. Winter. Number 1. It is very cold during the winter. Number 2. We wear woolen clothes. Number C. Autumn. 1. In autumn, the weather is neither hot nor cold. Number 2. Most of the trees shed leaves during the autumn. So number 1, in autumn, the weather is neither hot nor cold. Number 2, most of the trees shed leaves during the autumn. D. Spring. Number 1, beautiful flowers bloom during spring. Number 2, new leaves grow on trees. Number 1, beautiful flowers bloom during spring. Number 2, new leaves grow on trees. So that's all, girls. And as you are going to write these questions and answers in your class science copy, so please be neat and tidy in your work. All right? Girls, now we are going to think and answer the following questions. Okay? And as it is for your practice, so please do it in your rap copy. Clear? Then let's start. Number 1. Answer in one word. A. How many seasons are there in a year? B. What is the longest day every year? C. What is weather? Number 2. Underline the correct answer. A. Flowers bloom in summer or spring season. B. We use raincoat and gumboots in the winter or rainy season. C. The weather or season changes from day to day. D. In the winter season, we like to drink cold coffee or tea. Girls, here you have to choose the correct answer and then underline it, right? Question number 3. Read the following clues and write the name of the season in the given boxes. So girls, here you have to read these sentences very carefully because these are the clues here. Okay, and then you have to guess the name of the season from here and then write it down in the given boxes. Understood? A. We wear cotton clothes to keep ourselves cool. B. We see a rainbow in the sky. C. Most of the trees shed leaves during this season. Now, question number 4. Match the pictures with the correct names of the seasons. Girls, you can see there are 4 pictures here, right? A. Woolen cap. B. Cotton frock. C. An umbrella and a pair of gumboots. And D. Beautiful flowers. So what you have to do here? You have to think in which season we use these things or we get to see these things. Okay? And then you have to put the correct letter beside the correct names of the seasons. Got it? For example, A is woolen cap and I'm very sure you know the answer. So what you have to do? You have to put this letter A beside the correct name of the season when we use this woolen cap. Understood? So please do it accordingly. Now children, we have finished this chapter here. So please go through the whole chapter thoroughly. Prepare the spellings, question answers, everything. Okay? And you must try the exercise of this chapter. Okay? And I'm very sure you can do it on your own. So that's all for today, girls. Take care. God bless you. And stay safe and healthy.